ngathi kudala kuthethwa but ingathi akuna-solution mhlawumbe lelo gama lingavakali ula and then ngosandithi la and then right but ke ngoku referring to African spirituality mayiphendule ize nabani nayo kodwa ngasikho and then about it what do we discover going forward. Secondly, I strongly believe abantu bahlala bekhuluma about death. I would rather say people transition. Yiloo nto kukhona abantu ababuyiswayo. Andithi uMthembu uthetha abantu abahanjiswayo nababuyiswayo. Andithi? Yeah, so and then why ebuyiswa and then what after that? So let's explore. Let's share information. Let's diversify. Singoyiki madoda. Yebo, singoyiki.
Uyazi inhla kanjani mkhulu wami?
Thank you.
Thina khaluba kukho uchayingo ungqola. Umbona ukhibasha. Bona uthi uMthembu kungohlobo. Ithini le yakuthi? Ngoba izemaye le